Everybody's in such a hurry.
Well, I think we had some guy go shoot that way.
Careful though. Remember, they're spawning from right there. See them in the top? Move to the white wall.
White wall?
Yeah, go right up here. I got you. Top right window as well. 2 bodies in there. There was. What do you guys see? Anything?
Moving right. Double stack containers.
See him in that window? The container? He's on the top floor window this side.
Yep.
I can't get a good shot on him from this angle. Not at all. Can't get an angle on him from here. Damn it. Careful, it's hot, hot. Hot to the north. Look north, guys. Look north. 2 targets in front of you.
Those are dead.
Both of them, you see dead rags?
Yep.
Right behind you, right behind you. There's guys in front of us. He's in the next tank.
Right here in the door?
Yep, yep. Oh, hit! Friendly fire! Check fire! Damn it!